Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see right here, we have our trunk club box, and a lot of the stuff I know I'm gonna really like. So I know once again I'm gonna have a really hard time choosing what to keep from this box. Welcome to those of you who are new here. I upload fashion and lifestyle content every Monday and Friday. So if you would like to see more of this type of video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell on the side as well so that you can be reminded when I share a video with you. I also have an Instagram as well if you guys like to follow me there. I get lots of DMs from you guys and I love just seeing what you guys get in your boxes and stuff. So if you're comfortable with that, definitely feel free to message me on Instagram as well if you'd like to get a little bit more personable. But you can also feel free to comment down below. Anyway, I'm getting on a rabbit trail. I love getting to know you guys, so. Oh, and I do also have a $50 off referral code down in my description box if you would like to try Trunk Club out. If you end up liking stuff that I get from my box, I will be leaving all the products that I get from this box linked in my description box as well so that you guys can get your hands on any of these items that you end up liking. Let's get going because we have 11 items in this trunk. And I think I mentioned this in my other video, but I do send everything back in this box because they do give you a printing label to send everything back. And I actually schedule UPS to come pick it up at my home so that I don't have to go to the post office. I don't have to leave the comfort of my home. I have been obsessed with hats, and I keep on wearing one straw hat way too much, and it's definitely like everywhere on my Instagram, on my YouTube channel, and I really need to mix it up. So I was so excited when Silas sent me this blue version of the Brixton hat that I actually got in my the box before. Oh, you know what? I'm starting without even showing you hold on, I gotta get the price information here. Pretend you didn't see that because we have a whole order of how we do things here. I just totally messed it up. Here is our trunk club information. It says all of our prices. This is my shipping label that I will put on top of the box to have UPS pick it up. And then we also get 2 pieces of tape to tape everything back into the box. Anyway, back to the hat. This is from Brixton. This is size medium. This is $55. I know this is a good brand, very good quality, and yes, very excited about this, and I think that it's very reasonably priced. Grab from the box and just hope for the best. Oh, by the way, I don't send everything back in the plastic because you have to rip it open anyway to get to the clothes. So I just throw it away. Okay, so this is from Topshop again, which I ended up getting a lot of Topshop stuff in my previous box and I really liked them. Smocked puff sleeve crop top from Topshop. This is $58. It does feel like really nice quality though. I love this string in the back. I have a huge weakness for white right now, so my goodness, straw hats, white top. I mean, you can't go wrong there. This is definitely my style. I love how it's square necked, puff sleeve. I mean, I can never have too much white in my closet. I love this type of shirt and color so much because I can always pull it out year round. It doesn't have to be just for the summer or just for the winter. I'm really liking it. I think I could definitely see myself getting it. These are a pair of vintage crop jeans from Madewell, and it's in the size 30. I had the feeling that I wasn't going to be able to fit in the 30 because of the jeans that they sent me last time. So I'm a little bit nervous that these might be a little bit small, but if they do end up being small again, I can just exchange them if I end up really liking them. Now these two feel like they have a little bit of stretch, so that does make me a little bit more hopeful because the white jeans that I previously got did not have stretch in them. So let me just see what the price is here. The perfect vintage jean in size 30 from Madewell is $115. That's so crazy. But I do feel like basics are worth the price tag. So I'm going to show you what these look like on end. Fingers crossed that these fit me because I'm very nervous. So these jeans are not my size at all. Like I literally couldn't even get this button closed. Had a really hard time getting into these, and they're my regular size 10. I find this to be a consistent problem with Madewell. I think if I had gotten a size 31 or maybe even 32, I would be fine with these. So I'll probably let these go. But if you are looking for a nice pair of jeans, I think Madewell does have really nice stuff. You just have to really figure out your size. Okay, so I did ask for this round for a couple of fancy, better quality dresses. So I did get a couple dresses this round. It's a size medium. I know this is going to be very expensive. I'm kind of scared to look at the price, but this is the A-line midi dress in size medium from Chelsea 28, and this is $139. But it does have a snap in the front, which I'm not the most fond of because I have had bad experiences in the past. Hopefully this will fit me okay, but I'm gonna go ahead and go try this on for you. I love how the dress just wraps around nicely around my figure. I think you can even just tell on the camera that this is very well made. I think the top fits me perfectly. This little snap button isn't bothering me as much as I thought it was going to. It's showing skin, but not too much. But my favorite thing about this dress is how simple the back is. I feel like this is the type of back you get in a lot of summer dresses, almost like that sundress look. If it's gonna be a dress like this, it needs to be comfortable for me. This is very comfortable. This is the dress I think I'm the most excited about. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be so different and very out there, but I like it. Simple and delicate in the front, but in the back you have this dramatic open back that just makes it so romantic. I love this. I love the color too. This is the Dawn midi dress, size 10 from the brand Rotate, $175. I do have a tendency to be very, very out there with dresses just because dresses are my passion, you know? If I could ever create my own clothing line, I would make dresses. I know this is gonna be so flattering, so I'm gonna go try this on. First of all, the color is gorgeous. I love how there's little flower prints throughout it in the sleeves. I love how just simple and classy it is in the front, but then the back, you get that drama. So there is a bow right here. I think you can't really see that very well. And I'd have to figure out some type of bra situation to make this work. I don't know what I would wear this to, but I mean, if you've been here, you know I love fancy dresses. So I could definitely see myself wearing this somewhere for something. Next we have this top from Madewell, and this is just like a simple crop top, I guess, style with a bow on the side. It looks very nice. Oh, we got another snappy. Oh, I don't like those. I really don't think I would have anything against them if I hadn't had a bad experience. It's very bright and cheerful, that burnt orange that I really, really like right now. It's a Daisy Daydream Sash Tie Wrap Top in size medium from Madewell. This is $41.24. Oh, that's not bad. So I'm gonna go quickly try this on. Okay, so aside from the fact that it's gaping really weird right here, I do like the shirt. I think it's really cute, and if it was maybe a size up, it would look better. But I have this little button right here that's holding it together, and it doesn't look right. And then this is just what it looks like from the back. I think it's definitely my style, but I just need to find the right size. No. I mean, I will say that the material feels very nice. I just don't think that this is my style. Like, it's too simple for me. I think I need a little bit of flair in there. This is from Halogen. It's a size medium, and this is $49. I wouldn't spend $49 if I didn't like the style that much, which some of you might actually really like this. It's very simple. It's very well made. I would definitely say no to this one, but I am going to go try it on, and maybe I will have changed my thoughts on it. I think this is actually a very comfortable slimming shirt, but I feel like for me, I still need more of a statement in the top. I would prefer a v-neck or maybe just like an open back in the back of the shirt like I was saying before. Other than that, like I definitely think that there's nothing wrong with the quality of this. It's very loose and lightweight, perfect for summer. So yeah, I like it, but I don't think I need it. The last clothing item for this box before we get into some fun accessories. I know I already showed you an accessory. Oh well. We have a pair of shorts. These are from the brand STS Blue in the size 30, and these are the 11-inch high-rise. They look nice. They feel very stretchy. They have some distress back there. They have the frayed edges that I like. It's very simple, nice, basic pair of shorts. Let me see, what's the price? These are $39. $39 is not bad. That is pretty reasonable. The material feels a little bit thin, so I don't know if these will be the best quality. So I won't know until I try them on, so I am going to put these on for you. For this pair of shorts, I feel like the camera is a little bit misleading because they look like they fit me, at least I think they do, but they don't. I had the same problem I did with Madewell. I had to really try to fit myself into these. Sometimes it is a little bit tricky for me to find shorts and pants just because I have very large hips and it's difficult to accommodate that sometimes, but I would actually prefer something just a little bit longer. I don't have anything negative to say about the brand, it's just these aren't the right fit for me. So this is actually something that I added to my box just because I was very curious. Wow. This is a zip top medium transport leather tote from Madewell. This is $158. Now I don't know much about purses and bags, but to me that is very expensive. If my computer fit in this bag, I feel like this would actually be very much worth it. But I don't think it will. So I'm not even going to consider it, even though this is a beautiful handbag. I need to stop holding this because it's making me really, really want it. And I know I cannot have this. So I'm going to put this back in the box. So we have two more items. First, we have a pair of shoes, which I think will actually go really well with the dresses that I tried on. They are so sparkly and so fancy. Oh, that's not bad at all. These are $52.96. My goodness, it has a little crown on the bottom of the shoe. That is so cute. But it says that they are a size 10, and that is my usual size in shoes. They are a statement. They're very bold, but they still would go with a lot of the more fancy dresses that I have. For the summer, it would be nice to have like a special occasion shoe for like a wedding or something like that next year when I could actually wear it and go to a wedding. Love the shoes. Let me show you the last thing in our box, which is a pendant necklace from Spade. I haven't really been into jewelry lately. I think just because it's so hot and everything, but this is very pretty. It's a very simple necklace. I don't know if I should open it up because I don't think that I'm going to keep this, but, well, there is a secret message on the backside of this pendant. Enjoy. 1 in a million. Aww. And I always love personal stuff like that. But this is the 1 in a million initial pendant necklace. One size from Kate Spade, New York in the shade gold, and this is $58. Definitely gonna have to say no to this, but I do like it. I feel like this would make such a great gift for someone. We've gotten through everything in our box Thank you to those of you who have stuck around till now. But I'm gonna go ahead and read the note from our stylist because I don't know. I don't know why I like reading the note from our stylist, but I do. I don't know why. I packed you some fun, versatile pieces for the spring and summer that are definite essentials. Be sure to check out the outfits I styled for you. I hope you enjoy these pieces as much as I enjoyed packing them for you. You will be ready to enjoy the summertime sun in these outfits and get some compliments as well. I'll reach out soon to hear your thoughts and help with exchanges or checking out through the app. Whatever you need, have fun. Chat soon, Ash. But overall, I think I really liked most of everything that I got in this box. I love the selection of expensive dresses that they sent my way. I did request them and I loved trying them on. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep any of them yet, but I will make sure that I always keep you updated in the comments as to what I decide to keep. I think I would give this like a 3.5 out of 5 stars just because I didn't necessarily care for the cap sleeve top from Halogen, this bright orange one. I definitely am still looking for some things, but I am going to make sure I be very specific in what I ask from them from my trunk club. I really like how you can message back and forth, but yeah, I just have to make sure that I get that message to them before they send the trunk because I think that's what happened with the jeans. So you have to let me know what you thought of this box. Did you think that it was a really great box? Did you like anything in this? But I'm looking forward to my next trunk club. I'm going to keep doing it. I'm having fun with it. And thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and I will see you very soon in another video. Bye.